if you like fairy tales, right, go to your physics professor at any university and then ask them, say, minding centrifugal force and centripetal forces, how is gravity equal to 9.8 ms squared everywhere on Earth? Because the only answer you're going to get is a fairy tale, right? Because the only answers you're going to get are going to be nothing but a theory. It's all going to be theoretical. Eyeball symbolism, ball symbolism, worship of your heliocentric ball spinning. You know what I mean? At what speed are we spinning if we're standing on the North Pole? What speed are we spinning if we're spinning at the equator at 1,666 miles per hour? Ask your physics professor, how is gravity equal to 9.8 ms squared everywhere on Earth, right? Because, when you're in 6th grade, you're just going to get fed this heliocentric theology, which is bullshit. And when you become of age where you start critically thinking and you start questioning the narrative, they're like, do you have a diploma? If it's not in the book, it's not up for discussion. You got to F, go to detention. Obey and memorize, or you're in trouble, right? Your level of intelligence is a basis of how well you obey your slave master. It's not about thinking or smartness or intelligence. What people believe education is how well you have been brainwashed to be led to be into a certain realm of knowing, right? Even educate etymology means to lead out, right? Because even in these type of forces, you have to understand speed was slow, right? Speed was slow right here. If you were at the North Pole or the South Pole, if you were spinning on a ball, if you were spinning at the equator at 1,666 miles per hour, how fast would you be spinning on the North Pole, right? Think about it. And then take into consideration your 66.6 degree tilt and that fucking wobble they talk about. You know what I mean? Gravity and magical force pulling into the center of the sphere, holding trillions of gallons of water to a ball spinning in a vacuum. Gravity is Latin for weight, not a magical force, holding water to a spinning rock sphere, oblate, spheroid, pear-shaped, as the scientific community would say, even though NASA pumps out perfectly sphere CGI marbles, which we know are also fake. And in this realm, up and down, you either sink or you float, in this realm. There's no spinning ball. This is ball worship, BAAL. This is page 56 on Unlocked Mind. Check it out.